Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is give. 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 Let's look at our picture. This person is giving his friend a present. I can give you something, and you can give me something. A way that we use the word give at TLC is by offering our friends a gesture that they can use to signify that they want something. You can take your open hand and pat your chest. When we see that our friends want something, we offer them a model. We say, "Oh, you want that?" You have to say, "Give me, give me." The word of the week is give. Give. All right, my friends, I hope that you guys have a great week. Make sure that you check out our PDF for the word give so that you can use different activities to practice the word give throughout your week. Have a great week. Thanks, guys. Bye.